THEO AI is a groundbreaking new AI software that just hit the market. And in this video, I'm going to break down 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're considering using this tool or just want to learn what makes it stand out, stick with me until the end. Trust me. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of whether THEO AI is the right choice for you. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that you can actually try THEO AI for free through the first link in the description below. So, if you're ready to get started with this software, no strings attached, check it out after watching this video. Now, let's talk about what makes THEO AI a game changer. First off, THEO is an AI tool that streamlines your workflow, specifically for digital marketers and content creators. It's designed to boost productivity, automate tasks, and give you a significant edge over the competition. One of the coolest things about it is how intuitive it is. You don't need to be a tech expert to make the most out of THEO. It's user-friendly with a clean interface that guides you every step of the way. The second thing that sets THEO AI apart is its ability to generate content at scale. Whether you need blog posts, social media content, or email copy, THEO AI can create high-quality text in a matter of seconds. The beauty here is that it's designed to write content that actually resonates with your audience. THEO doesn't just churn out generic text, it understands context and can adjust its writing style to suit different platforms and target audiences. Third, THEO's personalization capabilities are a game changer. Unlike other AI tools that produce generic output, THEO allows you to fine-tune your content to match your voice, brand tone, and specific customer needs. This means you can create content that feels genuine and personal without sacrificing speed or efficiency. And for digital marketers, this personalization is a massive time saver. Another feature that makes THEO stand out is its data-driven insights. THEO AI doesn't just create content, it also analyzes your performance across different platforms. It provides actionable insights into what's working and what's not, allowing you to optimize your strategy in real time. This kind of feedback loop is invaluable for businesses and individuals who want to stay ahead of trends and continually improve their marketing efforts. Let's talk about pricing, because that's always a big question with new AI tools. THEO AI offers a really competitive pricing model, especially for new users. As I mentioned, you can try it for free through the link below, and from there, you can decide whether it's worth upgrading to the premium features. But I will say, the free version gives you plenty of power to see the value right away, and you won't be locked into any long-term contracts. One of the most exciting things about THEO AI is its versatility. It's not just for one type of user. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or a business owner, THEO can adapt to your needs. It's a tool that evolves with your workflow, helping you grow and scale at your own pace. It can integrate with multiple platforms, so it really works wherever you need it to. Finally, let's talk about customer support. THEO AI's customer service is exceptional. They offer 24/7 support, and the team is responsive and knowledgeable. If you ever run into issues, you can count on them to help you resolve them quickly, ensuring that your business keeps running smoothly. If you're new to AI software, THEO is a great place to start. It's powerful, intuitive, and most importantly, it actually delivers results. And as I mentioned earlier, you can try it out for free by clicking the first link in the description below. Before you go, I've compiled a list of my recommended AI software tools in the description as well. I've tested thousands of AI tools, and these are the ones I believe offer the most value. You won't want to miss that. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the links below to get started with THEO AI and some other amazing tools.